Okay, dear students, today I want to give you some more very short answers questions from physics first year. That the first one is first question. First question: two forces of magnitudes, 3 units and 5 units act at 60 degrees with each other. What is the magnitude of the resultant? I repeat the question: two forces of magnitudes, 3 units and 5 units acts at 60 degrees with each other. What is the magnitude of the resultant? Here two forces. This is a question from vectors. So two forces. Let the two forces will be taken as P and Q. P is given as 3 units and Q is given as 5 units. And a resultant is considered as R. And the angle between P and Q is given as 60 degrees. So the resultant, the formula for the resultant R is equal to square root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. The resultant R for P and Q are the two vectors which are acting at right angles to each other. As at 60 degrees they are acting. So the R is equal to, formula is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So P is given as 3 and Q is given as 5. So 3 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 3 into 5 into cos 60 degrees. So 3 square is equal to 9 and 5 square is equal to 25. 2 into 3 into 5 is nothing but 30 and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So here 9 plus 25 plus 15 you are getting under square root. So that is equal to, on addition all this you will get root 49. 49 is equal to 7 units only. So the resultant that you are getting is 7. I repeat this one. P and Q are the two forces acting at an angle of 60 degrees, and find the resultant of the two forces you have to calculate. The resultant of the two forces you have to calculate R. So for that resultant R, the formula is P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta under square root. So substituting the values of P, Q and theta in that, you will get the on simplification you will get root 49. Root 49 is equal to 7 units only. So this is a question. And the second one, state Wien's displacement law. Here we have to learn about a term black body. A black body is a substance which absorbs the incident radiation over it and emits the same outside. Black body is nothing but a body which absorbs the incident radiation on it and emits the same outside. Such a body is called black body. So in this universe, nobody can exactly act as a perfect black body, but some two bodies are there. One is nothing but platinum black, and second one is lamp black. Lamp black has nearly acts as 96% as a black body, and platinum black acts as nearly 98% perfectly black body, like that only. Platinum black and lamp black. Platinum black nearly 98% acts as a black body, and lamp black is acts 96%. So there is nobody can exist, nobody can act as a perfect black body. So here if you are coming to Wien's displacement law, the wavelength lambda maximum, here the wavelength is lambda, m stands for maximum. The wavelength lambda maximum corresponding to maximum energy emitted by a black body. The wavelength lambda maximum corresponding to maximum energy emitted by a black body is inversely proportional to its absolute temperature. I repeat this one. The maximum wavelength lambda maximum corresponding to maximum energy emitted by a black body is inversely proportional to its absolute temperature. So lambda maximum is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. So lambda maximum is equal to K into 1 by T. K is called a constant, and here either K we can write, or lambda maximum is equal to, the constant will be taken as either K or C only. Both, whatever it may be, they are called Wien's constant. That is called Wien's constant. So its value, Wien's constant value is equal to 2.89 into 10 power minus 3. What is the value of Wien's constant? 2.89 into 10 power minus 3 mk. So nearly sometimes in calculating problems we are taken the Wien's constant value as 3 into 10 power minus 3 also. Directly we can take 3 into 10 power minus 3. If the option is given 3 into 10 power minus 3, that is also correct. So exact value of Wien's constant taken given is nothing but 2.89 into 10 power minus 3 mk only. So I repeat once the statement, Wien's displacement law is very easy and very important also. The wavelength lambda maximum corresponding to maximum energy emitted by a black body is inversely proportional to its absolute temperature. I explained about black body. A black body is a substance which absorbs the incident radiation over it and emits the same outside. A body which absorbs the incident radiation over it and emits the same outside. So that is called a black body. So that the wavelength corresponding to maximum energy emitted by a black body is inversely proportional to its absolute temperature. Inversely proportional to its absolute temperature. So lambda maximum is inversely proportional to absolute temperature. So you are writing a constant C, or you can write directly